everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing really good and I hope आप सबकी गणेश चतुर्थी बहुत ही अच्छे से बनी हो and may Lord wish you all a very prosperous year ahead and let's get started with our today's video. So the topic of today's video is all about the kitchen items that you guys need to bring when coming from India to US. First of all, let me tell you that guys, ऐसा नहीं है कि यहाँ पर जब आप इंडिया से आएंगे तो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ ऐसी डिफ़िकल्टी होगी इन गैदरिंग ऑल द किचन आइटम्स दैट यू नीड और दैट यू मस्ट बी यूजिंग बैक इन इंडिया. ट्रस्ट मी, यहाँ पर इंडियन स्टोर्स इतने सारे आपको मिलेंगे एंड आपको वॉकिंग डिस्टेंस पे मिलेंगे. मे बी 10-20 ईयर्स बैक नहीं मिलती थी ये सब चीज़ें इतनी आसानी से, बट अब बहुत ज़्यादा और बहुत अच्छे से मिलती हैं. तो ट्रस्ट मी, यू डोंट नीड टू ओवर पैक एनीथिंग while packing your stuff. While packing your stuff to bring along with you, you will get each and everything. But still, कहीं ना कहीं एक मन में डाउट होता है, नहीं मिला तो क्या, राइट? सो उस केस के लिए दैट्स व्हाई वी आर मेकिंग दिस वीडियो फॉर द इंफॉर्मेशन, सो दैट आपको काम आए आपके पैकेजिंग के, अपने सूटकेसेस पैक करने के दौरान around. So let's get started. So guys, in today's videos I'll be talking majorly about 4 categories of items that we need to keep in mind while packing our stuff. The very first item is about the kitchen utensils that you guys need to pack. Utensils, you will get them very easily here, but some utensils like Indian recipe specific, like kadhai, pressure cooker, patila, if you know what I'm saying, pot basically. These you will get them, but they might be on the expensive side. So for an example, I would say like जो चीज़ आपको आराम से like 1000-1500 INR में, इंडियन रुपीज़ में आपको बैक इन इंडिया मिल जाएगी, वो यहाँ पे थोड़ा कॉस्टली हो सकती है, like around more than $40-50, like which amounts to around 4000 इंडियन रुपीज़. सो बेटर है आप इंडिया से एक दो जो इंडियन कुकिंग स्पेसिफिक यूटेंसिल्स है आप वो ले आएँ, जैसे कि कढ़ाई हो गई हमारी, कुकर हो गया, या टेम्परिंग पैन, मतलब तड़का लगाने वाला पैन हो गया, तवा हो गया रोटी बनाने के लिए, चकला बेलन हो गया, और थिंग्स लाइक स्पैचुला या फिर जो चमचे और वो कलछल वगैरह होते हैं, वो सब भी आप इंडिया से ला सकते हैं. स्टेनलेस स्टील या जो भी आपकी प्रेफरेंस है आप वो ला सकते हैं एंड यहाँ पे भी मिल जाएंगे, बहुत ईजिली मिल जाएंगे. बट एक होता है जब आप पहले बार आ रहे हैं तो आपको इतना आइडिया नहीं होता इन चीज़ों की कौन सी चीज़ कहाँ पे मिलेगी, तो आप कुछ अपने साथ ले आए, लेकिन बहुत ज़्यादा लाने की बिल्कुल भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. हाँ, वन थिंग मोर, जो हम इंडियन हाउस होल्ड किचन में बहुत ही वाइडली यूज़ होता है, जो कि हमारे ऐसे मसाला बॉक्सेस होते हैं, स्पाइस बॉक्सेस होते हैं, वो आप इंडिया से ला सकते हैं. मुझे नहीं पता यहाँ पे इतने ईजिली मिलेगा ही नहीं मिलेगा, लेकिन दैट इज़ वन थिंग दैट आई मेड श्योर दैट आई एम पैकिंग इन माई स्टफ. तो आप वो ज़रूर लेकर आएँ. So this is all about the kitchen utensils that you guys need to bring along. And one more thing, that please make sure that whatever things you are bringing in utensil category, make sure that it is fulfilling 2 aspects. Number 1, that they are dishwasher safe, because यहाँ पे dishwasher ही यूज़ होता है. आप of course अपने हाथ से भी धो सकते हैं, बट अगर डिशवॉशर है तो क्यों नहीं, राइट? तो आप मेक श्योर करें कि वो डिशवॉशर सेफ हैं वो बर्तन. और दूसरी चीज़ ये है कि आपके वो बर्तन ना इंडक्शन कुकटॉप पे, स्टोव टॉप पे यूज़ हो सके. यहाँ पे मेजरली हाउस होल्ड्स में इंडक्शन स्टोव होता है, बर्नर्स भी होते हैं, लेकिन अब मेजरली इंडक्शंस होते हैं. तो आप मेक श्योर करें कि वो फ्लैट सरफेस हो थोड़ा, राइट? So moving on to the next topic, that is the spices that you guys need to bring along while packing your stuff and moving from India to USA. So let me tell you guys, spices may make sure that you're bringing the grounded spices. Anything which are in the form of seeds are not allowed to be brought in, like in the US. And make sure again that you are reading the US CBP, that is the US Custom and Border Protection site, referring to it. I will mention the link of it in the description box. Go through it and see what all things are permitted and what things are prohibited while bringing in. And when it comes to spices, make sure that you're bringing if you want to bring the grounded spices, make sure that they are commercially packed, right? And anything which is in the form of seeds are not allowed. So जैसे कि हो गए मतलब मेथी दाना, that is fenugreek seeds, coriander seeds, mustard seeds, anything which are in the form of seeds, the jeera, try not to bring it, because unnecessarily you will be stopped at the customs and you will be asked questions. It will lead to further delays and unnecessary tension. So avoid them, don't bring them. They are generally not permitted. So this brings us to our next category of items, that is the food items. So first of all, I'll talk about the rices and pulses. Guys, don't bring them at all. They are not allowed. So US rules, like the Customs and Border Protection people, the rules over here are very strict with respect to the such items, agricultural produces, because these items can easily attract pests and may lead to some outbreak. This may attract some really huge fines and penalties at the airport if you unknowingly or knowingly pack such items. So please avoid them. Second item being your items like snacks, mixtures, like ready to eat items. You can definitely have them over here. Just make sure that they are commercially packed. The pickles, the whatever items you want to get, just make sure they are commercially packed. And A, they are commercially packed, not at all open. B, they are not containing any kind of meat or dairy as such. Dairy is fine, I guess, but no kind of meat, okay? And you're not allowed to bring any frozen items. Don't bring them. As far as anything that you are bringing are commercially packed and in a box or in anything and it's not opened, you are fine to bring that. Don't bring any fresh fruits and vegetables. They are not allowed. You can bring along with you the biscuits, the namkeen, the Maggi, and ready to eat stuff like idli, poha and all those. Just make sure they are properly packed. And the third item that I would like to call out are the dry fruits and nuts. Guys, as far as they're commercially packed, that's fine, but let me tell you, in USA you will get better qualities of dry fruits. Even if you know, like in India generally आजकल advertise किया जाता है California almonds, California walnuts and whatnot, right? So there is no use of getting stuff from India if you're getting better quality stuff in US itself and also at a better rate. And California almonds, walnuts and other dry fruits are cheaper over here, so don't get them here. And bringing along with you the tea leaves, the coffee, roasted coffee beans is fine. You can definitely get them along with you. Again, I would like to mention in coffee, tea is fine. Tea you can get from India. I know the variety over there would be more huge, and so in terms of coffee, you will get better coffee over here. So it's fine if you want to bring along, then bring along. Just make sure that your tea and coffee are commercially packed. The items such as meat produce or the fish produce or eggs, they are not allowed. So don't get them. Don't get anything which contains meat somewhere or the other, meat, fish or egg. Don't bring them. The next thing, which is very important, that I would like to tell you, that अगर आप लोग plants के शौकीन हैं, like if you like to have plants, green plants in your home, guys, do not bring even a small seed for growing them. Do not, it's a big no. Do not get along with you any kind of plant saplings or seeds or anything, right? these things actually, the customs and border protection guys, these things they actually take very very seriously. They may attract huge fines and penalties at the customs, so do not bring them at all. And curry leaves or tulsi patta, you may be very they may be very tempting to bring along, but do not bring. Curry patta, tulsi leaves, do not bring along with you. You will get them easily over here in the Indian stores, very easily. Do not bring them. You will definitely fall in some trouble at the airport if you guys bring them. So this is it about this category, and now we will talk about our next category of items, that is your kitchen appliances. So guys, when it comes to talking about kitchen appliances, the very first thing that comes into our mind is क्या हमें वहाँ पे हमारी पसंदीदा मिक्सर ग्राइंडर सेटअप मिलेगा या नहीं. First of all, you will get them. You will definitely get them. There's ऐसा कोई चीज़ नहीं है जो इंडिया में मिलती हो और यहाँ यूएस में आपको नहीं मिलेगी. ट्रस्ट मी, ऐसी कोई चीज़ नहीं है, सब कुछ मिलेगा. एंड बी मिक्सर ग्राइंडर, if you're getting them, they can be expensive, but if you try to if you want to have mixer and grinder which you were getting in India, the same brand, that might be expensive for you guys, but there are many brands in US itself that you can try. What I will suggest is try the stuff that you get over here. There are very good brands like Ninja, Kitchen Appliances, KitchenAid, Cuisinart, and many more good kitchen item brands over here. You can explore them. I personally have been using lot of appliances for my kitchen which I have bought from here, and they are really good. And in India we use 220 volt appliances. Over here 110 volt appliances are used. You can use converters, but again उनको इतना कैरी करके लाना अपने चेक इन बैगेज, एंड मेक श्योर दैट वंस, आई एम नॉट श्योर, मैंने कभी लेकर नहीं आई तो मुझे भी पता नहीं है कि सच स्टफ द मिक्सर ग्राइंडर आर अलाउड इन द चेक इन और द कैरी बैग, cabin baggage. Make sure that you know that in which bag you need to pack them. But I would again say कि don't bring them. You will get them easily over here. And थोड़ा एक्सपेंसिव आपको लग सकता है यहाँ के ब्रांड्स, बट क्या होता है यहाँ पे ना काफ़ी ऐसे ऑन एंड ऑफ सेल्स चलते रहते हैं. तो आप जब यहाँ पर आएंगे तो आपको खुद ही पता लग जाएगा कि ये सेल्स कब कैसे कहाँ चल रही हैं, एंड बहुत ईजिली और अच्छी क्वालिटी के आपको मिक्सर एंड ग्राइंडर्स मिल सकते हैं. एंड गाइज, दिस ब्रिंग अस टू द लास्ट टॉपिक, नॉट एग्जैक्टली अ टॉपिक, बट आई वुड से द आइटम्स दैट आई हैड गॉटन फ्रॉम इंडिया अलॉन्ग विथ मी फॉर माई किचन, and the food items basically that I have gotten from India with me. So guys, when I came here, I knew about certain stuff that I should carry and should not carry, because I do have my friends over here. I knew about like कौन सी चीज़ कहाँ कब कैसे मिल सकती है. So I had some idea. So what I packed with myself were some grounded spices, like मैंने थोड़े से गरम मसाला ग्राउंडेड वो रख लिए थे, एंड हल्दी हो गई, दैट इज़ टर्मरिक, एंड आई डोंट रिमेंबर, हाँ, द ब्लैक सॉल्ट ग्राउंडेड अगेन. ये कुछ 3-4 ग्राउंडेड स्पाइसेस रखे थे. चिली पाउडर ग्राउंडेड अगेन, बिकॉज आई डिडंट नो कि मेरे घर से कितना दूर होगा वो इंडियन स्टोर. तो मैंने थोड़ा सा जो डेली लाइफ में डेली बेसिक खाने में यूज़ होती वो मैंने चीज़ें रख ली थी. सो एंड रेडी टू ईट आई हैड केप्ट सम ढोकला मिक्सचर एंड पोहा मिक्सचर एंड डोसा एंड इडली मिक्सचर. So that has helped me back then, and that is it. I had also kept some Maggi packets, the vegetable Maggi packet, basically the normal one, the normal one, and some properly packed mithais from the Haldiram और बीकानेर वाले का, जैसे properly वो packed sealed वे में देते हैं ना. मैं पिकल्स भी लेकर आई थी, वो भी प्रॉपरली पैक्ड एंड सील्ड दैट, और इससे ज़्यादा कोई आइटम नहीं लेकर आई थी. एंड ट्रस्ट में मुझे कोई भी, मैं ये भी नहीं लाती ना तो मेरा काम चल जाता, बिकॉज बिल्कुल घर के बिल्कुल पास में एक इंडियन स्टोर था एंड वहाँ पे सब कुछ, सब A to Z जो भी मुझे चाहिए सब मिला था। इनफैक्ट जो मैं लेकर आई थी वो मैंने खोले भी नहीं। मेरे को इतनी एक्साइटमेंट हुई यहाँ पर आके इस इंडियन स्टोर को एक्सप्लोर करने की, मैंने सब कुछ वहीं से खरीद लिया। एंड यू गेट एवरीथिंग, यू गेट ऑल द इंडियन ब्रांड्स, एवरेस्ट, MDH, आपको जो चाहिए, आपको डाबर, आशीर्वाद, कांटा, राइस में जो भी ब्रांड्स आपको चाहिए सब मिलेगा। इनफैक्ट आपको पूरे इंडिया में जो जो सामान मिलता है ना वो सब मिलेगा, irrespective नॉर्थ इंडिया, साउथ इंडिया, वेस्ट इंडिया, ईस्ट इंडिया, you will get everything. So don't you worry about anything, you will get everything over here. Just again and again I am mentioning, just go through the US CBP, that is the US Custom and Border Protection site, and just make sure that you are knowing what stuff you need to bring, you need to pack along with you. So that is it for today's guys. I hope you all really liked my video. I hope I talked about all the information that you might require, and if I missed on anything then please let me know in the comments below. I may take up that topic in the next video or maybe reply in the comment itself. And if you like this video then please do share with your friends as well who might be needing it, and this information may help them as well. And if you really like my other videos then please do consider subscribing to my channel, and please stay connected. I'll be bringing more such videos. Currently I'm making videos on all the things that we need to get from India to US. This is my second video in the series, and there are more upcoming ones. So let's stay connected. I'll see you guys in my next videos, and until then, bye bye.